Melissa, what are we cooking?
Oh, Poptarts.
Iris.
Pop-Tarts.
What
Yeah,
are you
Iris, what are we
making?
making here, Iris?
Pop-Tarts.
Christina?
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat
You gonna eat them?
every day.
Every day.
Wait a minute. Oh, there it is.
Somewhere, if you guys need to look at the instructions somewhere.
We need a half a cup of this.
That's a half a cup in it?
Now, this is 5 and 0.3 ounces, so half a cup is going to be a little less than this.
Oh, yeah. Throw it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that was a half a cup. We measured it. We use exactly how much we needed. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so we're cooking. That looks good. Okay. So we use a little bit of that. Let me show you the instructions right here. That's the instructions.
It's too watery.
Oh, it's watery. Okay. We might need some more flour. Oh, they didn't give me enough. Melissa, you got the
There
instructions?
was instruction. What does it say right there?
It just
This
says.
is like to follow instructions. He just Frankenstein.
No, but it's too watery.
That's too watery.
Okay, we gotta work this out. You guys got
Okay.
any suggestions?
Yeah.
Amy, let me know. Amy, have you done this before? Yes, ma'am.
If we put it in a blender, the egg whites will fluff.
Oh, let's put it in the blender.
That might work,
Okay.
but I ain't guaranteed.
Okay, we're getting ready to MacGyver this thing. All right, hold on.
It'll turn into meringue.
It won't because it's already been broke down.
It won't because it hasn't been any sugar put in it.
Well,
Do we need
it's not-
sugar?
No.
Do we have sugar-free sugar?
Sugar-free sugar.
Please give me some sugar.
Some sugar. All right, guys. Okay.
that called Splenda?
Melissa's getting ready to work on that. She
Okay,
got,
I'm just taking it over here.
she's taking over, she said.
I said over here. How
Over here.
much does it go?
Okay. Now, guys, you're never gonna believe this, but this will be a Pop-Tart.
Is it thick?
Not really.
Not really. Hold on.
Protein powder.